But I'm sure you've seen the recent trend towards larger and more powerful drones which can carry large, heavy items. Now, a number of companies around the world are developing drones which can carry industrial strength items and payloads. For example, this is a Chinese company called DJ.com, and they're developing a drone which they hope will carry 1 ton or 2,240 pounds of weight. And these drones could replace industrial strength, more traditional forms of moving heavy cargo and equipment about, such as cranes or forklifts. But there are a number of benefits and disadvantages to heavy payload drones, which I'd quickly like to discuss. One of the first benefit, number one, is that drones are more versatile and more easily to move around, and they can also be transported between different locations easily. Number two, drones can be programmed to work in unison with swarm intelligence. Number three, drones can work autonomously to reduce labour costs. Number four, drones can be multi-purpose, so drones can also carry heavy payloads, but also include camera equipment and various software to perform multi-purpose outcomes. Number five, drones can also offer a safer option in dangerous environments such as ice or hazardous areas where items such as cranes and traditional forklifts and ground-based heavy movement equipment are much more hazardous, much more difficult areas to get to. Now to discuss 5 disadvantages of heavy payload drones. Number one, a large-scale drone could be extremely noisy. Number two, cranes are safer and feature a much more stable base. Number three, lifting zones and drop-off points have to be established to use heavy payload drones effectively. Number four, rolling out heavy payload drones can be quite difficult with limited use. And finally, number five, it can be extremely dangerous if heavy drones fly off course or are pushed off by heavy winds. So, in my opinion, or I think the real development of heavy payload drones is where they can be used in emergency situations where emergency cranes may be very difficult to get to. So they may be in the middle of heavy fires, large chemical leaks, areas where it's very difficult for cranes and humans to get to. Large-scale drones which are able to lift and carry heavy payloads may be more beneficial, but in terms of industrial applications, they may be more limited. So just a short video just to quickly discuss heavy payload drones for you. If you'd like to leave any comments below, that'd be fantastic. Or if you'd like to learn more about how to become a professional drone pilot, please visit mydronecareer.com or click the link below. Thank you.